Hi, I'm Kate, and this is Kate Learns Something. Today I'm at Weeta's Boutique in Ottawa, Illinois, and I'm going to learn a little bit about accessorizing. So, I don't know a whole lot about accessorizing. So I was hoping today you could give me a few tips, maybe what to wear if I'm going out to a nice dinner, how I can kind of spice up my outfits on a normal day at the office, or just
maybe
hanging
go
out.
from something like this into dress if you wanted to go, wear your basic outfit during the day. Now, if you're a jewelry person, you can always do the jewelry, just put on a, can I?
Yeah,
May
absolutely.
I?
Thank you.
Yeah. Just something like that dresses
I
it
like
up.
that.
If you're a scarf person, you can go with the scarves. It's just many ways to make an outfit totally different. Add a jacket, just
Perfect.
depending on how dressy you want to be, but you can go from casual to dressy.
Great. That is really good to know. I learned something new today. I hope you did too. See you next time. Was that good, or should I? I'm going to try that one more time.